You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this originally Belgian professional football player, soccer player. If you want to learn more confusing names from football, stay tuned. I've got more videos pronounced for you. He was born in a more Dutch-speaking part of Belgium. So the Dutch pronunciation is as Leandro Trossard. Leandro Trossard. The French pronunciation is similar as Leandro Trossard. In English, therefore, pronounced as Leandro Trossard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.